camera tail cable connectors, one by one through the bracket, then tighten the screws. Power off, insert the memory card. Pay attention to the direction of the memory card. Third, turn on the camera and wait for the camera self-check to complete. Send out networking prompts. Use the app to scan the QR code on the camera, select Wi-Fi, and enter the password. Fourth, use the bullet lens above the camera to scan the QR code on the phone. Wait for the connection to succeed and bind immediately.